Hey everyone, welcome back where we break down everything related to cybersecurity, from hacking to improving cybersecurity programs to breaking into the industry. We cover all those things. For more of that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this content with other people you think could benefit. All right, so in this video, we are going to be talking about why labs are so darn important for you as an analyst, as an entry-level person trying to break into the industry. And really, it carries over into you as an experienced professional. All right, so let's talk about the first one here. So first off, theory is never enough. So we look at all these entry-level certifications like the Security Plus and things of that nature. So first off, let's look at why theory isn't enough by itself. When you look at all these influencers out there and just the general suggestion for people trying to break in, they say, hey, get the Sec Plus or something similar. Great, but that's all theory. And yes, it's important to lay the foundation of things you're going to learn moving forward, but theory isn't enough because it's not going to be able to help you perform the job when you're placed in front of the computer and say, hey, analyze a security event. No, it's not going to help you. So you need to get those hands-on experience to start learning the tools, to start working your way through a command line, to start understanding how these different things relate to each other. This is why you need to get hands-on experience. Next, well, say you're done with the Security Plus. Like, there's all these massive book suggestions for you to buy. There may be freebie books, whatever it is. It could even be videos like this one. But guess what? You're still not getting your hands dirty. You know, Mike Tyson and a lot of boxers have this saying, your strategy is only good until the first punch is thrown. In this case, your strategy and all this knowledge is only good until you sit there. You're going to fumble. It's going to be ugly. Trust me, it's going to be ugly. Oh, is it going to be ugly? But that's okay. You're learning. And what we want to do is make it ugly before you get on the job and start doing it. You want to be able to stand apart and say, hey, look, I've done this a few times. I'm not new to the block. And it won't take me much time to get familiar and work in your environment, hiring manager. And what this is going to say to them is, hey, this person really stands out because all these other candidates don't have any of this experience. Now, let me tell you, as a hiring manager, which I've done, I don't know how many interviews I've done for entry-level people, most do not have hands-on experience. They cannot walk you through a process of analyzing the cybersecurity event, not to mention responding to just a malware alert in an environment. If you can do this, you will stand apart. You will stand head and shoulders above all of your competition once you get into that interview. So do it. Get hands-on. Learn a few things. Talk about it. I'm telling you, hiring managers can tell the difference between people who have done it and people who haven't. It's very easy. It is easy to spot the difference. So trust me, take it from me. I've been there. I've been on both sides. People can tell. Now, with that being said, where do you go for such experience? Well, there's lots of great hands-on certifications out there. There's lots of great hands-on labs out there. So let's start with certification. So one of the ones I would suggest is Blue Team Level 1. That is one of the ones I've been hearing great stuff about. I haven't taken it personally because I'm working on other stuff, but I have worked with, I have led, and I have mentored people with this certification. They tell me it's great, and I do see a significant improvement in their skill set after taking this course. So it's a good one, I would say. And right now, I would say that's kind of I don't want to say gold standard because it's new, but it's a really good standard to work towards. Now, there are other ones I actually haven't heard much about. Hack the Box has a Blue Team certification. Offensive Security has a set of Blue Team certifications. I haven't heard a ton about those. I haven't met anyone with any of those, but they are all great organizations, and those may be some good options depending on what your budget is and which platform you enjoy. Now, in terms of going in there and getting lab experience and now worrying about the certification, TryHackMe is probably the most preferred vendor for me. I've gone in there and learned a lot of stuff. They have things in all the areas of the blue team: forensics, malware analysis, log analysis, you name it. They have a module in there, and they have learning paths that you can walk down and baby step your way into the knowledge. So it's very beginner friendly. That is where I would recommend you go. If you want to get some cheap hands-on experience, it's very affordable. It's under $20 for the month to access to labs where everything's already built out. You don't have to build a sim. You don't have to spend time putting all these pieces together if you don't want to, right? If you want to just learn the skill that is analysis, this is a great place for you to go. Low cost, a structured learning roadmap. So check it out. Now, that's it for this video. In closing, I do want to say it's not about what you know. It is what you can do that matters the most in our world, our technical world of cybersecurity. So what are you waiting for? Jump in, get in these labs, and tell me in the comments how beneficial those labs are. Tell me what your favorite lab has been so far, if you have already been in those labs. And until next time, we'll see you around.